How to remove nail polish remover stains from different surfaces.
Hello everyone! Today, we're tackling a common household problem: how to remove nail polish remover stains from different surfaces. Nail polish remover can be quite harsh on various materials due to its chemical composition. It's not just about cleaning the stain, but also ensuring your surfaces aren't damaged in the process. So, let's dive in.
How to remove nail polish remover stains from wood.
Nail polish remover can discolor wooden surfaces or even strip away the finish. Here's how to deal with that. Step 1. Immediately blot the stain with a dry cloth to soak up any excess nail polish remover. Step 2. Mix a solution of mild dish soap and warm water. Step 3. Dampen a clean cloth with a solution and gently clean the stained area. Step 4. Rinse the cloth, wring out excess water, and wipe the area to remove soap residue. Step 5. Dry the area thoroughly with a towel. Note: if the stain persists, it's recommended to consult with a professional for refinishing options.
How to remove nail polish remover stains from carpet.
Carpets can be tricky, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Step 1. First, blot the area with a dry cloth to absorb any excess remover. Step 2. Mix 1 tablespoon of white vinegar with 1 tablespoon of dish soap in 2 cups of warm water. Step 3. Using a clean cloth, gently blot the stain with this mixture. Step 4. Rinse the area with a cloth dipped in cool water. Step 5. Dry the area by blotting with a towel. Note: for stubborn stains, you may want to hire a professional carpet cleaner.
How to remove nail polish remover stains from clothes.
For fabrics, you'd want to act fast to prevent permanent damage. Step 1. Blot the stain with a dry cloth to absorb any excess remover. Step 2. Rinse the stain under cold water. Step 3. Apply a pre-wash stain remover on the stain. Step 4. Launder as per the fabric's washing instructions. Note: if the stain remains, repeat the steps. And there you have it. We hope these tips and tricks help you restore your surfaces from the clutches of nail polish remover stains. Remember, the key is to act quickly and gently to avoid causing further damage. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.